So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can enable and also set up your second space. And without wasting any time, I'll just jump straight into it. So we will open up our settings and then we're going to navigate down to additional settings. And here you'll find the option called second space right over here. Now, to activate second space, you will need to have a screen lock set on your device, the main, if we call the default screen main space. So you need to have a screen lock set already. And then for the second one, you can choose to have a screen lock. So you'd have use a screen lock, or you can do it using an actual shortcut. So if we select one of those as a shortcut, for instance, you can then select I'm going to skip setting up the password, which you could, and I probably would recommend doing so. So in here, you will see that your wallpaper changes to the static color. This is just so you know that you're in a second space, and everything in this space will be only available to you in here, such as, for instance, applications, contacts, messages, and all that stuff. And everything will be basically kept separately from each of the spaces. Now, you can transfer over some of the files from one space to another, but you'd have to do that to the main space. And obviously, you can customize this, change the wallpaper in here as well. And for instance, I do have a screen lock set, so I could, if I had a screen lock actually set right now for the second space, depending on which one you put in on a screen, you'd be putting into the specific space dependent on the screen lock that you have used. Now, for the option that I selected with the up, I get to just pick the up. So I need a moment to actually check it out. Took me a couple of minutes to figure out how to go back to the normal space without having a screen lock. So if you have a screen lock, like I mentioned, you can just draw the pattern and it will take you to the individual space. If you don't have one and you selected the application-based one, to leave this, I don't see, or no, there it is. Wow, I don't know how I didn't see that the first time. So this is one way that I can leave this by selecting switch. The other way you could leave this is by going back to the settings, finding the additional settings, then second space, and you can just do it from here, switch between spaces. So we're going to draw the pattern for that first space, and it's going to go back to the first one. And you can see there is the wallpaper. Or you can just press that button that was visible in the place of settings. But anyway, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.